Tired of manually entering your Apple Card transactions into PocketGuard? Feeling overwhelmed by the constant tracking? You're not alone. In this video, we'll show you the simple steps to seamlessly connect your Apple Card to PocketGuard, giving you back control of your finances. First things first, make sure you have the latest versions of both the PocketGuard and the Wallet apps installed on your iPhone. A strong and stable internet connection is also essential for a smooth linking process. Open the PocketGuard app and tap on the Accounts tab. You'll see a list of your existing accounts. Tap on the plus button in the top right corner to add a new account. Select Credit Card from the list of account types. You'll then be presented with a few options. Choose Apple Card from the list of credit card providers. Now, you'll be prompted to connect your PocketGuard account to your Apple Card. There are a few ways to do this. You can either use Apple Pay. If you already use Apple Pay, this is the easiest method. Simply tap on Use Apple Pay and follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate the connection. Manually enter your card details. If you prefer not to use Apple Pay, you can manually enter your Apple Card details, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you've successfully connected your Apple Card, PocketGuard will automatically start fetching your transaction history. Depending on the number of transactions, this may take a few minutes. After the initial sync is complete, PocketGuard will begin tracking all your Apple Card transactions in real time. You can now view your spending, track your progress towards your budgeting goals, and get insights into your spending habits, all within the PocketGuard app. To ensure accurate tracking, it's important to keep both the PocketGuard and Wallet apps updated with the latest versions. This will help to maintain a seamless connection and prevent any potential issues. If you encounter any problems during the connection process, double-check your internet connection and ensure that you've granted PocketGuard the necessary permissions to access your Apple Card data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.